this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea.
Hello! Hello!
Hello.
Welcome to another video.
Woohoo!
Whoop whoop. Okay, we're doing a plan with me. This is the last week we did. We were pretty busy. Let's go ahead and get out our sheets. We're going to be using
Fae,
Mother's
Flowers for Mom.
Flowers for Mom, which is with the Faery. Her name is Fae.
Yes, Fae the Fairy.
Fae the Fairy.
Because I couldn't think of anything else.
She turned out so cute. She's hand-drawn, guys.
Mm-hmm. And I have functional stickers with her in my shop, like upload, grocery shopping, regular shopping, stuff like that. So
Here's your little deco. How cute are those little decos?
Mm.
You know what I meant to tell you? A vacuuming fairy.
Yes, okay.
Or bibbles.
Or both.
Or both, yeah.
Definitely.
Some people like to schedule their vacuuming.
Yeah.
So.
I'm not one of them.
I'm not either.
But I can make them.
Yeah, okay. For other people. Yes. Other people do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get to getting. No appointments for Monday.
Yes.
Yes.
You.
Me. Yes, I have an appointment for Monday. Then what about the rest of the week?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. It's just me, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have an appointment for Monday, so I can't put one of my fairies there.
But you need an appointment, Bibbles.
But I'm going to have to put an appointment, Bibbles. I need an appointment fairy.
Oh, well then I'll have to make some.
Yes. Or I could use one of these.
Mm-hmm. Those are little appointment labels.
Yeah. I'll use that for Monday.
But I will make some appointment fairies.
Awesome.
Yes.
And then we have...
I need to make a doctor's appointment text one. Or like an appointment one.
Yeah. We do have Happy Mail coming.
Yes. I'm just very happy.
We'd be happy about that. Yay. Alright, so this is the 29th through the 3rd, right? 9, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, this is April. There's only 30 days.
30.
So it's through the 5th.
Through the 5th.
Yes.
What?
We can't count.
Can't, no. 29th.
And because she has nails, she doesn't need tweezers.
No, but you might need tweezers yourself.
Yeah, they're tiny, tiny stickers, especially the numbers.
But they fit perfect in these small
boxes.
Planners.
Yes. Box planners, apparently.
Oh, I put 31 anyway.
Yeah. Well, you can always put the one over.
Oh, yeah.
That's the good thing, you can stack stickers.
Yeah, stack. I like to stack.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 2.
Everybody's really noisy right now. It's like they know we were recording.
Yeah, everybody knows we're recording.
So they're all talking now.
They want to talk crapola. So how is your videos going? How are you liking doing them?
Good. I finally added music to the new one, so it was 11 minutes long.
I watched it.
Yeah, was it a good video?
I loved it.
Good, thank you.
Yeah.
It was fun.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah. It was really fun though, because I like what I do, so.
That makes a difference.
It does. But I'll have a video every week of different stickers I'm making. So look out for those videos. And the stickers. Yes.
So check out her videos, guys. The link is down below.
And my shop.
And you can watch her create.
And then you can go buy them in the store.
If you want to.
If you want to.
Oh, there is a coupon right now.
Yes, it's Mother 10, and you'll get 10%. It's it's Mother 10, and you'll get 10% off of your entire purchase.
There you go. So get 10% off while you can, guys. Because that's going to end after Mother's Day.
It ends on the 30th.
So it ends on the 30th. That's good. That's a nice coupon. The 30th of April or the 30th of May?
April. Oh, May. Wait.
Better go double check.
I may need to fix it.
She's going to have to fix it, y'all.
Yeah.
We do have a payday. The 29th. And the 3rd. So that works. 29th and the 3rd. And then I want to put in here
A fairy.
another fairy.
No, a deco fairy.
I'm going to do deco in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Don't be pushy.
I'm pushy.
I
You do a
might-
deco fairy.
I'll put it on Wednesday. And then we'll go with Deco Fairy.
Yay! Surprised.
She's beautiful. I love her.
Thank you. Those are supposed to be hibiscus flowers.
Beautiful.
And a daisy. And the one I just put down.
Woo woo.
A dollop of daisy.
A dollop of daisy. So I don't know what the weather's going to be like right now, but I wanted to show you guys these weather bibbles stickers that Drea made. They are so cute.
They are adorably tiny. They fit perfectly in, I don't know, a Hobonichi Weeks, or in a personal planner, or in the corner of, a regular planner, so that you have more room for other stickers and writing.
These are the most adorable little guys and girls ever.
Yes, thank you.
I love them.
I do too. I like using them in my Hobonichi.
Hobonichi. I do want to do some uploads. So we're going to do them between Friday and Sunday. It's 2... 3.
Cute.
Stack my girls. Stack my little bibbles. That is the Bibbles YouTube upload button.
Yes.
Now, dishes. I gotta see. Let's see. Today's this day, so we have me on Sunday. So Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday I have to do dishes. So we'll get our dish bibbles out. Because it's my turn.
Cute.
And then Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And then Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
She's adorable.
Thank you.
Saturday.
I love her. She's my baby.
Your brainchild.
Yes. Her and Faye.
Let's see. We're not really eating.
No, we're
We're not really eating, y'all.
So dinner bibbles goes into hiding.
No,
But you
I'm a
can show them.
user. I'm a user.
Oh, okay.
I'm a user for the days we eat.
Oh, we don't know when we're eating.
Yeah, I know, but I'll have to put the sticker on that day.
Gotcha.
So, oh, I did want to go ahead and, like Drea said, show her. So this is dinner bibbles. Ooh, she's cute. Got a whole sheet of that. And let's see, what else I got here? That's it. Unless you could think of something else.
Thinking.
On my eBay bibbles and my Etsy bibbles, I use
A custom sheet.
on the days.
And she uses a custom sheet. This is a custom sheet.
This is a custom sheet.
You can order one too, if you want. You can mix and match bibbles
Yeah.
of all kinds.
I would put some on here, but I want to make sure I make a sale that day. I only use them for when I make a sale. So if I don't,
Then it goes unused.
yeah.
And it is a sad sticker.
I love how this turned out.
It's pretty.
That turned out really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. There's our layout
Of the Drea and Drea show.
of the Drea and Drea show.
Oh my.
Right on.
Looks like you were going in slow motion.
I was.
Oh, okay.
Pop that in. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to use your coupon to get your own stickers, which is Mothers10 for 10% off of your entire purchase. You don't have to buy a certain quantity to use the coupon.
Nope.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.